Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I want to do a mani tutorial for you guys. It's gonna be very simple. Here's what I want to show you guys. I really like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I'm gonna need for this tutorial. I'm gonna need I'm gonna do two fake nails that I already have with some white polish, so you're gonna need white polish as your base. And the plate that I decided I wanted to use for this was this is harunouta, and I think that's how you pronounce it, round 03. So the only thing I'm going to be using these flowers right here. So let me just go ahead and put that in the side. I'm going to use, you don't need a clear stamper, but again, that's what I want to use. You will need some black stamping polish. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and start by picking up the image first, and then I will tell you what's next. So let me just go ahead and work on the image. So there I pick up the image. I'm missing part of that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick it up again. And that was mainly my fault. So see, it was missing part of this right here. So we're going to go ahead and I need some acetone. So just give me a second. Clean my stamper. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and apply the stamping polish. And this time I'm going to make sure that I have the stamping polish covering the whole little image. Okay, perfect. So I'm just gonna get rid of whatever I don't want. Those lines I don't need, I don't want. And be very careful because you can actually pull the actual image, which you don't really want to do that because you're gonna mess up the whole thing. I'm gonna clean my scraper. So now that I already did that, let me just go ahead and get rid of this mess right here, because we're not gonna need that anymore. Okay, so now you're ready to color. So I chose to use this clean color polishes for coloring the flowers. So you can use anything you have, anything you want, any color you like. You don't have to do the same colors that I'm doing. So I have this AliExpress brush that I had for a while. So let's go ahead and start coloring the flowers. And like I said, you don't have to color the flowers the way I did it. You can do whatever the colors you want. You can do, I don't know, you can do whatever you wish to do. You're the boss. So, and let me make sure that I'm showing you what I'm doing, because a lot of times when I do this, I keep pulling this close to me and I keep forgetting that I'm filming, which I'm really sorry for that. So I'm trying not to do that. So now I'm gonna use the orange one. And this is not so difficult to do either. So you guys take your time and have fun. I think for me, nail art is more about having fun, not stressing myself, because if I'm gonna be stressing myself with this, I think I would rather not do it. So I'm just saying, whenever you do this, make sure you do it to escape from all the stress that you already have, and mainly have fun. So now I'm gonna need some of this yellow color. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the other flower. I'm gonna add some orange, so it has some yellow and orange. And the other one, and as you guys can see, I'm not even stressing myself or anything. I'm just having fun. I'm trying to show you guys. And then I'm done with those. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this pink right here. And this pink one, I'm gonna use it all over this right here. Okay. some pink right here. Almost done. I just need to do the green part. So here I have the green. I'm gonna use this green from L'Oreal. L'Oreal, I think that's how you say it. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna let this dry, so I'll probably just use my fan to dry that faster. But while that's drying, I'm just gonna show you how I did the lines. So for the lines on my nails, before that I actually used some of this. Hold on, I almost forgot. I used some of this Orly, and this is it's called Shine On Crazy Diamond. It's just like a holographic, really fine glitter. It's like a topper, I would say. So that's what I use. I forgot about this. Oh my goodness. So I'm just gonna put some on top of the white and see how pretty it looks. It went from just a simple, boring white to a beautiful. Hold on, let me just show you so you guys can see the difference. Well, hopefully you guys can see the difference. So it looks so much better. So I'm gonna have to let this dry. Also, I totally forgot about this. I could have done that before I even start filming, but I totally forgot. So I'm gonna let all this dry, and then I will come back and show you, because I'm gonna show you how I did the lines. Now the lines, I want you guys to see, my lines are not perfect, and that was okay, because that's how I wanted it. I didn't want my lines to look perfect. I do have a stamping plate with lines, but I was like, no, I don't want them to look just perfect. So I used the little brush that I was using to color in. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my fan right here, let this dry, and then I will come back to show you guys what's next. All right, so this is completely dry. My reverse stamping, I forgot to mention that's what we were doing, reverse stamping. It's not like super dry, it still needs to be dry a little bit, but I'm gonna show you how I did the lines. Now, like I said, I didn't want perfect lines, so I just grabbed some of the stamping polish, and I used this little brush that I was using to color in the reverse stamping. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the little fan the other side, and I'm sorry about the noise. I'm not trying to disturb anyone or make anyone mad. But anyways, so I grabbed this brush, and then from the stamping polish, since it's really opaque, and then I just started drawing lines. I needed to put more polish, so I'm gonna go over the same line. So try to have enough polish so you don't have to go over, because I know for some people it's very difficult to do lines, but that's how I did my lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue with my lines. Alright, so again, I'm just gonna apply some acetone, because I feel like the little fan is messing with my brush. I had a fuss right there. So make sure you put enough polish. Okay. Again, I'm just doing this right here. I don't know if I'm showing you. Yeah, right here. Keep forgetting that I need to stay right here in this spot right here, otherwise I'm gonna be out of focus. So when you finish doing that, you gotta make sure that that stamping polish is completely dry before you actually top coat. Now when you top coat, also be careful, barely touch the polish, because you can smear your lines and that doesn't look so good. I do want to show you guys something. So on this one, which is my thumbnail, I actually put some silver glitter right there. I used this right here that I got from Dollar Tree. I had like for 3 years, but I felt like it was way too much since I was using it in the center for the flowers. So on the rest of the nails I didn't put the silver, but I did put it on the little flowers. So just wanted to mention that. And let's check this right here, make sure it's completely dry. I feel like this green is not, is it? It's kind of tricky. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to stamp it on my nail. I do want to say, especially if you're a beginner. Now if you already done reverse stamping, you guys already know what to do, which is just place it on your nail, or you can just go ahead and add some clear polish. And when I'm telling you clear polish, I'm not talking about top coat. I'm saying, like, I have this right here and it's just clear polish. It's called crystal clear, but you don't want the top coat. Top coat usually dries faster. No, so you want the clear, just the clear nail polish, and apply it on top of this. Now make sure this is dry when you applying it, otherwise you're gonna smear your image. So that's something you guys got to think about. But right here I'm gonna go ahead and just try to place it on the nail, see if it works. Hopefully it won't mess up. I've done this so many times that once you know what works, you know, you just do it. But I do want to mention, like, if you're a beginner, again, I'm not trying to say that just because you're a beginner you're not good. It's just, you know, little tips for you guys, because even though I already been doing a lot of reverse stamping, I can still mess up a lot of times, and I don't want anyone saying, well, you're teaching us the wrong way. I'm just telling you, it's better if you wait at your clear top. Make sure your image is completely dry, and then add your clear polish. You're just making a sticker, and then let it dry completely, and then peel it like a sticker. And I think that's gonna be better for you guys. So you guys saw when I used the silver on the center of the flowers. Now I'm gonna let this glitter dry, because if not, when I add the top coat, I know it's gonna smear and it's not gonna look pretty. So now I'm gonna grab my Such Beat top coat, and if you're wondering when I use regular polish which top coat I use, is the Such Beat. I've been using it for years, like around 6 years now. Sometimes I use out the door one. For some reason I keep using this one. So see, like I said, just be careful, because you can smear your lines and then you're not gonna like that. So other than putting some top coat on top of this, you're done, you're finished, and then you're gonna end up with your nails looking like this. I think this is a very beautiful, simple mani tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys did, let me know in the comments, and I will be doing more, I promise. It's just sometimes I get so busy with reviews and other stuff, just, you know, I don't know, I keep forgetting stuff sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.